Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, PayPal is one of the most trusted payment methods online. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to integrate Wix with PayPal in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for Wix.com. As for now, we're just gonna open the website. It will take you to another new tab where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go to settings here. Then wait till it fully uploads. We're gonna go to finance and payments, then accept payments here. Then wait a couple seconds again. Here it is. As for now, go all the way and choose PayPal, tap connect. Then use your login to basically access your PayPal business or personal account. Then grant permissions, allow Wix to process payments through PayPal, select payment options, enable PayPal balance, cards, or even PayPal checkout. Then make sure to save your settings. Confirm the connection and all of this, save the settings. You can also then test the checkout by placing a test order to verify if PayPal fully works. And that's the main idea. You should also use a PayPal business account for best features, enable both PayPal and cards for higher conversions, check the currency compatibility. This fully depends on your region and all of this. You can also use AI to help you select a payment option here. Just tap here and a new window of AI would show up. You can send them messages or whatsoever. You can even see more payment methods here. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.